Hey guys, welcome KK Java Tutorials. In this video of data structure and algorithm, we will try to write a Java code to search an element in a singly linked list in Java. So this is my custom linked list which I had created in my previous video tutorial. Yeah. So if you did not watch my previous video tutorial, then I request you to go and watch. Right. So here the idea is very simple. Let's say this is the singly linked list representation, right? Singly linked list head always pointed to the first node in the list, and last node always pointed to the null reference, right? So here idea is that if first of all we have to check if head is null, then that is an empty linked list. Then in that case we will basically return the null. In case if I try to find some node value is available in the linked list or not, right? Data is available. Let's say I'm passing, let's say uh, some value and try to search in this linked list. So whatever search key you are passing, if linked list is already empty, then simply we have to return false, right? Let's say some search key value I am passing, then what I have to do, I have to traverse throughout the list and need to compare each and every node value with that search key uh, value, and if I find, then I have to return true. Else else if I try comparing each and every node and we reach till the end of the list and we do not get the basically search element, then we have to return false, right? So let's try to understand through implementing Java code. So this is my linked list, generic linked list, and there I have declared head always point to the first node in the list, and that's what we have declared as instance variable. We have a node class which basically represents every node in the linked list. So node has a two part, data as well as reference. So that's what we have declared, these two things I have constructed. There I will initialize data as well as references, right? I have one method basically which I am repeatedly calling and inserting some nodes, right? So that I can search some node in the linked list, right? And that's pretty straightforward. Now here this is the method which basically displaying the linked list entirely. Now here I'm going to write one method. Let's say I'm going to write this method which will return a boolean value true or false, right, for search key. So I will write public, and return type of course I will write a boolean, and method name you can give anything, but here I am going to give method name as contains. Contains will accept some uh, data, that is nothing data, we have a search key, so which we have to search throughout the linked list, right? So of course return type would be boolean. Here this name you can give anything, so here I have given name as contains, right? So first of all you have to check if head equals to null, that means your linked list itself is empty. In that case we have to return false, right? That key will not be available in the linked list. Else what we have to do, we need to here create a node, give the node as a current node right, and we have to assign head to this current node, right? Current node is now holding the head. Why head? Because we have to start from here. Now we need to traverse throughout the linked list, and that's what we required a one while loop, right? While loop, current node not equal to null, yeah, then here you have to give the if condition. I will do current node dot data equal to search key, right? If that is the case, then we find the search key uh, within the linked list. So in that case we have to return true, yeah, true, right? Else what we have to return false. And of course here we have to traverse throughout the linked list. So here what we have to do, we have to do current equal to current dot next, right? Else this will go else this will not move the cursor, right? So when here idea is that in current node I have assigned to head, and just I'm extracting data and comparing with the search key. Again I'm doing basically current dot next, so this will go into next item. So this way, until unless we do not face the null value, till that this loop will be executed. Once we reach over here and we'll do current node dot next, then we face null, right? In that case this loop will be exit, and if we do not get a search key in while traversing throughout the linked list, then finally we will return the false. Yeah, if we find that key, then of course this will return the true. Very simple, right? So here if I run this program, then here you can see this is displaying entire linked list, and let's say I would like to some search key, right? So here I'm going to int search key equals to, I'm assigning 15. Yeah, now here I'm going to do this linked list dot contains, yeah, I'm passing search key. Yeah, here if search key, we find the search key within this linked list, then of course this guy is going to return true, right? In that case I'm going to print search key found in linked list, right? Else if this method returns false, then of course we are going to print some message. In real scenario, once this method returns true, then you might perform some action, right? Here just I'm printing whether search key has been found or not. So I'll tell not found in the linked list. That's it. Now let's run this application. So saying that 15 found in the linked list, right? Let's say I'm going to assign 150, which is not available at all in the linked list. Now here you can say 150 not found in the linked list, right? Cool. So that's all I wanted to show in this video tutorial, guys. As far as this source code concerned, I will post my source code on my blog kkjavatutorials.com, and link I will provide in the video description part itself. Guys, big thank you for watching this video, and see you there in the next video tutorial.